Wow, I can't imagine farming over there. Welcome to the top of the mountain. Actually, we come way down. That's a crazy road to get in here. Way down, I followed this black car in when I showed at the start. Look at these restaurants. Amazing place, man. Amazing place. Wow. Way on the top of that mountain over there, there's farms. It's a good ways down right here. Cool, cool, cool. Opposite side of the road. Look at the water tank. Oh no, that's not the water tank. That's the bathroom. I've seen pictures of these, but the ones I saw had round doors. This is a normal bathroom, cheap plastic bathroom door. That's really cool. Too bad it's locked. Look at the trees out there. How do they survive? Eh? Literally growing out of the rock. See all the shoes. Smells awesome in here. Cool. Lunch with a view. Oh, that is delicious. Wow. Look at all the fried garlic. Busy place. Surprising that a lot of the restaurants are not open. That's delicious. This soup don't need anything. Maybe that's why they didn't bring me the normal tray of stuff. Don't need it. Seems to be a lot of Chinese people here that are having very much difficulty ordering. These places are for rent, I would think. This orange one over here is brand new. This one's made out of bamboo. Spend the night. You can have a nice view in the morning.